How to download MetaTrader 4 app in your Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download MetaTrader 4 app in your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see the source icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for MetaTrader 4. Now click on the second option where you can see the MetaTrader 4 icon. Now click on install. Once you tap on install, your app will start to download. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download MetaTrader 4 app on your iPhone or Android devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaTrader 4 app, comment down below. Bye bye.